welcome back to Andre Activity. So today I'm going to be trying to make a DIY phone case out of cornstarch and silicone. So let's get started. I'm going to be putting in the cornstarch. So this is the 1 cup. So you put that in your bowl. This is where you're going to start putting on your gloves, because now we're going to put in the silicone. The reason I'm using gloves is because once you start like kneading it, it could become like really sticky. It could stick to your hands. See, it's coming like a dough texture. You just want to keep mixing that in. So I'm still kneading it, and I added a little bit more silicone so it could be a little softer because it was kind of too hard. And now you can see I can press it without that much effort. Okay, so now I'm going to start rolling it. So I put a little bit of cornstarch on the bottom so it wouldn't stick to the surface. This is the dough. So see, it's big enough for my phone, or even 2 phones. So now I'm going to wrap my phone in the plastic wrap. And this is where you're gonna have to start saying goodbye to your phone, because you're gonna have to leave it for 24 hours. Extra dough that I had, I used it to make one for my mom. And for this one, we're going to do an experiment, and we're going to see if it's going to be easier to cut the extra dough while it's hard and dry. So this is what my phone looks like. And for the end, I just put little C's on it with my Sharpie pen. So this is what it looks like. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below which one was your favorite. And I'll put a link down below for my other channel, Drawing with Drea. Bye!